Hello there, all you amazing people. We are going to free some more RAM up to because Microsoft Edge has this amazing feature. It's a feature, going to show it in a bit. But if you see over here on my good old task manager, I have not opened anything. I just boot into this VM and Microsoft Edge is running in the back end, taking up no CPU, no disk space, no network, but about 100 megabytes of RAM. 100 megabytes of RAM in today's world is not the end and be all of anything, and you will probably have something down there that takes up way more RAM running in the background. But if you don't want this, theoretically, this should be easy to disable. You can see here what they're doing here, efficiency mode. So it's actually running in efficiency mode, or some of it is running in efficiency mode. So if you open up good old Edge here, and now of course it should blast up to high heaven and back. So let's have this over here and have Edge over here. Let's do that. So if we go into setting and we type startup boost, get to browsing quickly. When it's on, it helps Microsoft Edge open faster when you start your device. So basically what it's going to do here, you can see we have it's running right now. What I showed you in the beginning, it will be running down here all the time. And if you click open more or learn more here, you can go in here and you can see, what it's doing and whatnot. So let's say you want those 100 megabytes free. So that should be it. So let's start up Edge again and check the same settings. It's unticked. So let's reboot the computer and see what's happening, or the VM. And we are back into the system and it's just opening up. It's just doing its whole starting thing. So if we do name here, let's see if we can find anything that's called Edge. It's not in here. You will get a little bit slower startup time and whatnot. And I know right now a lot of people be like, oh, fuck Microsoft Edge, this is fucking blah, 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 blah. Calm your titties, okay? Swing your dick outside, get some air under it, and get all the salt out of your vagina and sand out of your vagina. If you are having Steam open, EA or gaming thingy open, Ubisoft, Xbox Game Pass store open, look at all of the shit when you start up your computer you have opened down there. 100-ish megabyte is not going to, ruin your world. Understand that this is something that you will probably not notice. And you'll probably, if you're running Windows and you have Edge installed and you never open it, you'll probably not even notice that, oh my god, my machine has become lesser multitasking as programs are starting up slower because I have Edge. No, you're not. You cannot feel 100 megabyte use case, you are not going to notice. So let's start it up and see how fast it is this time. It's not that much fucking slower. Like, let's be honest. It's not that much slower. If you want to, I guess do it. Check it out. If it eases your mind, if it makes you, a little bit, oh my god, the exposure rate is really bad on my webcam. Okay. If it makes you a little bit more at ease to know that at least Microsoft Edge is not taking 90+% of my RAM while I'm not using it. There are people out there that feel like that, and peace be with that. Yeah, do it. But you will not notice any different. I hope this was a little bit interesting. See you all later. Bye-bye.